Therefore, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So, in aba breaking news be AC. Say Ghana Revenue Authority aye chomutia efrene GRA. Womo ako Reverend Beduko Bifie ako ko season ni 2 cars. Na cars 2 no mo ako season no ba ko din eye Lincoln Navigator ena the other one so din eye Porsche Panamera. Porsche Panamera. Now, okay, so let's take this from this point. The first one, and it's Nekre, yeah, the Kennedy Japan, ebo man. They be a catcher, say Kennedy Japan, can't say more for us, no, and some no, they are 2 jab. Say investigations, no more investigation, no more who say a Nekra. It's just right for us to come out to say, we be a Kennedy Japan, why then why are there? Because Kennedy Japan ya de na say bonia me ana meba bonten ebeka nti se wa ya de na ende ye hu ne say papa ne bo ene wo say ye de ema no se wo beka ya Kennedy Japan na wo ba bonten ebe ma list me de sa stories no ebremo obebo list of cars bi a eye Prophet Emmanuel Beduko bi wakra efi amanone aba wontua hu duty wo bo Lincoln Navigator eno sanso bo eye Porsche Panamera say Mahama time ena Prophet Beduko bi de car si eba Ghana a wentua hu duty. The next day ena Beduko bi eba abonte metre say national security for eba ne fie based on the Nsema Kennedy Japan editu dwa. Na national security for ba do mo hu hwe e wa asem ne ho nti wo mo sanso eyeden ekoye. Nti wo kan sa asem ne nti ye ne hu ne say Kennedy Japan wedi ntwo. And then they yati and they say Ghana Revenue Authority womo ena ewo se womo check that omo na womo system a edebe check say kai etia duty and entia duty enye national security inti Ghana Revenue Authority akọ revenue even say Emmanuel Beduko Bifie Prophet Emmanuel Beduko Bifie eko hu say cars mienu bia ewo ho ne kre ye entia hu duty ye eno nti womo sizi cars on the car no akoto Ghana Revenue Authority. Omo the cars na akoto. That's the breaking news coming through. They have seized Prophet Emmanuel Bedukobi's cars over unpaid duties. Now, wo be bisa say then na call so say na womo be ye hu ne say car bi say duty. Na me wi nipa ba ko bia wo ye djuma e wo Ghana Revenue Authority. Say me a wo de tu dwa me quote natural. Now, the team, me mouth here, they be as a police for there was several groups. You find say one more counter-terrorism group, or more cyber crime group, or more dosuni nyama. Eba GR nso one more groups one more group there your friend counter-intelligence team. Counter-intelligence team. Bet to me friend CIT. Now, a counter-intelligence team and based on information at Kennedy Japan edebe 2 jano and womo acte on some information no and womo eko Beduko bi first me say womo ko na sorry na womo ko na sorry no say he wasn't around nti womo ko ni fie eno mo ko hu say cars no apake ewo ho na eho na te say womo ye prelims check wo no mu say sa Lincoln Navigator yi any Porsche Panamera edine yana Porsche Panamera yi sa cars ye cars bi Beduko bi ekra ye efi amanone bae no wontua hu duty na sa de no nso eye crime kese pan e wo Ghana ha se wakra de aba na wontua hu duty eye bone kese pan e wo Ghana ha se enti wo bi bisa se wo muside hu se kan ye ntia na kan no ye ntia hu duty from GR no de matse and say car bia wo ade bia ye friend chassis number car bia e wo number bia ye friend chassis number na sa chassis number yi mate say GR for Ghana Revenue Authority for e wo system bi software bi wo ho a ukobo car bia wo Ghana ha bia chassis number etumu a e be kire o car ne be bi efri anza na be du Ghana ha obviously unim say cars ayetwi wo Ghana ha de yenye e wo Ghana ha inti car bia chassis number ukobo to system ni mu e be kire say bia car no onipa say na wotoye wo Germany first na ye de shape baaye na say all information on the car wo benya nti de esi ye ne say wo mo de bedu kobi cars no call GRA ho no na wo mo bo chassis number. Now one thing about the chassis number thing is say when tia duty a won tia e nti system ni be ya tre say car yi ye ntia ho duty me kai de bia me meti police sometimes say security for wo mutu me yes ade no obo say wo mo enam krom check cars because wo mo nyante yes enkrofo bi the cars aba wo mo ntia duty nti wo mo check chassis number na wo be say car yi efa Ghana port e bia 6 January now so duty when tia because so tia duty chassis number never record was system nim say car ya the chassis number ya boy o tia duty date inti bedu ko bi cars mienu na ye de call GRA ho no wo mo say wo mo check wo system nim no say won tia duty ye na tre say ensem akene de Japan kan ye no we eye ne kre and this is what we expect from Kennedy Japan de bia meka say ye ko hwehwem Kennedy Japan de asemba ne ye ko hwehwem na ye ntro ya na ye ba beka o de asem we ya ba ya ko hwehwem na ye ne kre no it will just be unfair say ye betena se na ya tena se no so aka say oh dabi ye nka dabi it will just be unfair inti no yes ye ni obi afa inti eno ene ensem a eba na metra o say me read quotation and a transcript of obi a wo ye adwuma e wo GRA asem bia wo de to dwa. I have also heard a voice recording of Abrante bia wo no nso e ye adwuma e wo GRA na wono e na wo describing and na wono e na wo tre chassis number ensem ni mu e tre me. Now let's take one person from GRA ono so asema wo kan wo say we have so far seized 2 of the vehicles but he managed to hide the 3 from us, so we are still searching for them. Kennedy Japan cars are what boy no I think say na 5 for today. The GRA for air can and say sisiano wo match 2 cars wo mo seize 2 cars from Emmanuel Bedukobi. Na 3 of the cars Kennedy Japan boy no yade Bedukobi de akote nti wo mo ehu car na tri akwan. We say these cars were imported into the country under the previous administration. That was say yes, another 3 points for Kennedy Japan over there. Say Mahama Mbreso and a car see Bedukobi imported by, and he failed to pay the duties for all of them. And only asema GRA ni work out. Say car see Bedukobi at the bag and niano when tia duty. Also, the number of the Porsche Panamera is fake. Kennedy Japan can the same thing say one of the cars are Bedukobi Wochi number nekra fake. Actually say yes. Source here, what the information in every Kennedy Japan a solid source. A solid source. We just hope say more of ensema wo beka no so be na crazy because na ye den same people na ko hwem na enye nekra. Aha. Inti de yet no no say Prophet Emmanuel Bedukobi ne kasa wo de baaye a wo twi wenti ahu duty na asem we interesting no interesting say Emmanuel Bedukobi angasa ba bonti ye be kasa de Kennedy Japan kan na ye ntro na ende GRA for Ghana Revenue Authority so ba bonti kasa ye ne kre. We wait to see. Let's hear a response from Emmanuel Bedukobi because so yenim say watching na Sunday, watching na church service. Yenim say wobekasa. Yenim say wobekasa nti wono so yentwen na yentie the side. But so far, it's like in Sema Kennedy Japan the 2 January. The Ghana Revenue Authority, based on their own investigation, womo sanso call Bedukobi fie no. Akoye say in Sema Kennedy Japan kafa Bedukobi ho no. Concerning the cars no ne kre. Concerning the cars the other ensema wakan say Bedukobi ko Germany ko wi aka Bedukobi ni oba bi ko die wo beach Bedukobi wo girlfriend bi wo UBA asanso wo girl bi a we bie ba amano no me mama ati ase say Kennedy Japan ba bonte beka say Bedukobi wo girlfriend I know there I will not doubt it because in Ghana metumi atro 90% of omo aware ana asofo bebre na omo girlfriends. Into for that one I will not doubt it. The only one maybe I might doubt and say Kennedy Japan say beduko bi ekofa wo ba bi oni oba bi ko die e wo sakumo no eno nso ye behwehwe mu ehunu se eye ne kra but so far car ensem na Kennedy Japan e de betu dwa e fa beduko bi ho no ababonten from Ghana Revenue Authority say indeed it is true. Etiefo wontre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu asem wey afiansa ayedo afiansa ayede